guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my OC if you want to use it later. Okay, so first of all, okay, for hats, these are my glasses. It's my accessory. I have a little turquoise dot on my forehead for no apparent reason. My shirt, my sleeve, you can't really see it, you don't have to put this. Color from my outfit. This color for the, needs to go for the main. For the sub is this color. Mostly this color. And then the outline is this. Same color code for my sleeves, main, sub, outline. This that's this pants. This color for the main. This color for the sub. This color for the outline. My socks, it's this one right here, and also this one for the right sock. For the left sock, the main color is white, the sub color is this color, and then the outline's this color. And for the right sock, it's this color for the main, this color for the sub, and this color for the outline. And my right sock is this. My shoes, just Converse, black and white. I don't think I need more detail. My skin color is this. The outline is this. My blush is this with the right color. Mouth, regular color. You can change the mouth. I have a nose, but like a little nose. Nose, main color for the nose, this color. Outline, this color. My eyes, I have this eyes, this pupil, I really like. Regular eyebrows, nothing special. Main color, this sub outline, just black. This is basically just black. Hair, for rear hair, is this. Most of my, for the brown is but this color. The outline, this color. For the green dye, it's this color. For the tips, it's a little bit lighter. And I have this just brown. Yeah. Wing, it's just black. Right wing, it's just white with a little bit of a grayer white. For the outline. Tail, it's this tail. The main is white. The sub is black. On the outline, a little bit of lighter. And my name, Sock Dragon. I just put Isabella, Izzy. You just put Izzy for my name. I just put me for no reason. And that's that's how you make my character. Got any questions? Comment them below. Bye-bye.